Hello. Very warm welcome to you to Draw with Artma. I am Venkatesh. I am an artist and entrepreneur. I run this academy called Artma Creative Society. If you are new here, very warm welcome to you. If you have been here before, then you're already part of the Artma Army. I started this channel back in 2020 and I was trying to help people learn digital painting. When we were all stuck inside of our homes, I started doing live streams and I used to start and finish an entire artwork in the same live stream. There are almost 35 live streams in the channel and I will leave the link to the playlist down below. You can learn at your own pace. You can watch the whole process, how I start and finish the entire artwork. There is a lot of, transformation artwork short videos on this channel as well. I used to do this in 2021, 2020, late 2020. I was creating the short format content where I used to take a certain character, transform it into something else, and I used to post them as short videos. If you would love me to bring back the short format content again, please type transformation OP in the chat or in the comment section below so I can bring back more of that for you if you would love to see that. There is also a playlist that we are creating now which is no edit full artwork playlist. So you will be able to see an artwork being made from start to finish without any edits. I'm going to show you everything that I am doing to finish that artwork from beginning to end. All of this is absolutely free. You can learn to your heart's content. There is ton of content here for you to learn if you are genuinely interested. All I ask of you in return is give it a like, give the videos a like, make a comment so that it helps with the algorithm and I am able to do this for more people in the future. If you are interested in learning with me, I do a lot of content here for free, of course, but I also have a program where I guide people and help them learn with proper feedback and all the other things that come with it. I'm going to be sharing more details about it very soon. Until then, like I always say, stay strong and keep creating. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.